Welcome to Tennessee's South Cumberland, where the spirit of adventure and the rhythm of music come alive. Come explore our perfect blend, mouth-watering cuisine, and outdoor excitement. Explore the natural paradise of the area's 3 state parks, with over 30,000 acres of pristine wilderness and panoramic views that will take your breath away. Just as our natural beauty provides food for the soul and nourishment for the imagination, our surprising culinary gems will fuel you for all of your adventures. But the fun doesn't stop there. Grundy County is also a hub for music lovers. Experience the vibrant local music scene, bringing the sounds of Tennessee to life. Don't miss the Caverns, a bucket list destination for live music. After a day of adventure and music, treat yourself to the culinary delights of our local restaurants. Find a variety of mouth-watering dishes, from hearty Southern comfort food to fresh farm-to-table creations. Here, you'll find historic eateries and delightful libations, served with a friendly smile. Savor the flavors of locally sourced ingredients and traditional recipes passed down through generations. Indulge in iconic favorites that smell and taste like heaven on earth. Come for the rich musical experience and stay for the great food, the warm welcome, and unforgettable memories you'll make in Tennessee's South Cumberland.